Have you ever felt like you've done absolutely nothing all day except scroll on your phone and stay cooped up inside the house, but you still feel like you've done a mountain of hard work? Your body literally aches. But here's the thing, it's not your body's fault, it's your brain. Because while your body is resting, your brain is running a non-stop 24-hour marathon inside your head. And this marathon is fueled by reels, short videos, and endless notifications. Then you look up and think, man, how did the day end so fast? It was just Sunday, and now the next Sunday is already here. And your energy, absolute zero. This is what we call the dopamine trap. We convince ourselves that using our phones helps us relax, but in reality, we are draining our brain's most valuable fuel. We are sprinting on a digital treadmill where we don't take a single step forward toward our dreams in real life. They just get trapped in overthinking while our mental energy plummets. Our brain is constantly processing junk 24/7, achieving absolutely nothing. You might call this laziness, but it's actually a psychological trap that has completely hijacked your body, leaving you frozen in one place. But don't worry, in today's video, we are going to fix this problem once and for all. So stick around till the end. Whenever you feel bored, you instantly start scrolling through your phone. But in that exact moment, your brain doesn't actually crave the phone. It's just desperate for an escape from your negative thoughts and loneliness. Now, this doesn't mean you have to throw your phone away or pack your bags to go live in the mountains. No, you just need to build a habit of sitting quietly in that silence without any phone or laptop. As long as you keep feeding your brain these cheap instant rewards, your actual life will start feeling incredibly boring, and day by day, you'll drift further away from your goals. They will start feeling like a heavy burden, and everything will just turn into endless overthinking inside your head. You don't need to completely flip your lifestyle overnight. Absolutely not. You just need to reclaim that blank space in your mind. Just sit at your desk one day and look out the window to connect with nature. Do this for just 5 minutes and watch how your brain resets itself. The day you step off this digital treadmill, all your mental pressure will just vanish. You'll literally feel it. Your focus will naturally shoot up, and you'll actually enjoy learning new things. That's when you realize that motivation isn't something you just sit around and wait for. It's a superpower that unlocks only when your brain is truly relaxed. This trap only works as long as you choose to stay stuck in it. So from now on, try your best to stay away from screens and get into some physical activities. If you've watched the video up to this point, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, now let's move forward. So here is your exact 3-step battle plan to break the trap starting today. Step 1 is implementation intention. Don't just say, I'll use my phone less. Instead, give your brain a specific rule, like, when I eat breakfast, my phone stays in the other room. Step 2 is the friction rule. Make your bad habits hard to reach. Delete your favorite scrolling apps and only access them through a web browser, or turn your phone screen to grayscale mode to instantly kill its visual appeal. Step 3 is finding a healthy substitute. When your brain seeks a quick dopamine hit, replace the digital scroll with something physical. Do 10 push-ups, doodle on a blank piece of paper, or step outside for a breath of fresh air. At first, your mind will scream for that cheap digital hit, and the silence will feel incredibly uncomfortable. But push through it. That exact discomfort is the feeling of your brain healing, resetting its dopamine receptors, and reclaiming its power. You are no longer a slave to an algorithm designed to steal your time. You are the master of your attention, your focus, and your ultimate destiny. So put the phone down, step out into the real world, and start building the life you actually deserve. Here's the thing, change doesn't happen if you just finish this video and instantly hop onto the next one. That's not how a person grows. Real change only happens when you make a firm decision that you are going to transform your life no matter what. If any of you out there genuinely want to change yourself, type "Yes, I am ready" in the comments right now. Look guys, the moment you hold yourself publicly accountable for something, your chances of actually doing it shoot up by 10 times. There are so many people just like you here in the comments. Connect with them, support each other, and let's break free from this trap together. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends who need to hear this, and definitely subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.